Can I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, close by.
Is it safe here?
Yes, mostly safe.
Do you know directions?
Yes, I do.
Thanks for helping.
Happy to help.
Welcome to Best English Hub.
Excuse me, are you free?
Yes, for a moment.
Excuse me, are you free?
Yes, for a moment.
Can I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
May I sit here?
Yes, please do.
May I sit here?
Yes, please do.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, close by.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, close by.
Are you from here?
No, visiting.
Are you from here?
No, visiting.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
First time here.
Yes, first time.
First time here.
Yes, first time.
Do you like this area?
Yes, very much.
Do you like this area?
Yes, very much.
Is it safe here?
Yes, mostly safe.
Is it safe here?
Yes, mostly safe.
Do you work around here?
Yes, nearby.
Do you work around here?
Yes, nearby.
What do you do?
I work in retail.
What do you do?
I work in retail.
Have you been waiting long?
No, just arrived.
Have you been waiting long?
No, just arrived.
Is this the line?
Yes, it is.
Is this the line?
Yes, it is.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Do you know directions?
Yes, I do.
Do you know directions?
Yes, I do.
Is it far away?
No, very close.
Is it far away?
No, very close.
Which way is the exit?
That way.
Which way is the exit?
That way.
Is the store open?
Yes, still open.
Is the store open?
Yes, still open.
What time does it close?
At 9.
What time does it close?
At 9.
Is restroom nearby?
Yes, inside.
Is restroom nearby?
Yes, inside.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me?
Sure, I'll try.
Can you help me?
Sure, I'll try.
Do you understand me?
Yes, clearly.
Do you understand me?
Yes, clearly.
Is this the correct place?
Yes, correct.
Is this the correct place?
Yes, correct.
Are prices reasonable?
Yes, fair.
Are prices reasonable?
Yes, fair.
Do they accept cards?
Yes, cards are accepted.
Do they accept cards?
Yes, cards are accepted.
Cash only here.
No, both accepted.
Cash only here.
No, both accepted.
Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Password posted here?
Yes, on the wall.
Password posted here?
Yes, on the wall.
Is parking free?
Yes, free parking.
Is parking free?
Yes, free parking.
Is parking allowed?
Yes, allowed.
Is parking allowed?
Yes, allowed.
Are you in line?
Yes, I am.
Are you in line?
Yes, I am.
Mind if I pass?
No problem.
Mind if I pass?
No problem.
Are you in a hurry?
Not really.
Are you in a hurry?
Not really.
Nice weather today?
Yes, beautiful.
Nice weather today?
Yes, beautiful.
Cold today, right?
Yes, very cold.
Cold today, right?
Yes, very cold.
Hot outside now?
Yes, extremely.
Hot outside now?
Yes, extremely.
Is rain coming?
Yes, later.
Is rain coming?
Yes, later.
Bus coming soon?
Yes, soon.
Bus coming soon?
Yes, soon.
Is this bus correct?
Yes, correct bus.
Is this bus correct?
Yes, correct bus.
Next stop nearby?
Yes, next one.
Next stop nearby?
Yes, next one.
Train delayed today?
Yes, slightly.
Train delayed today?
Yes, slightly.
Are you heading downtown?
Yes, I am.
Are you heading downtown?
Yes, I am.
Can I join you?
Sure, okay.
Can I join you?
Sure, okay.
Is this your bag?
No, not mine.
Is this your bag?
No, not mine.
Did you drop this?
No, sorry.
Did you drop this?
No, sorry.
Are you enjoying the trip?
Yes, a lot.
Are you enjoying the trip?
Yes, a lot.
How long are you staying?
1 week.
How long are you staying?
1 week.
Any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, many.
Any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, many.
Which one do you recommend?
The Corner Cafe.
Which one do you recommend?
The Corner Cafe.
Is food expensive?
No, affordable.
Is food expensive?
No, affordable.
Is service good?
Yes, friendly.
Is service good?
Yes, friendly.
Are people friendly here?
Yes, very friendly.
Are people friendly here?
Yes, very friendly.
Is it crowded usually?
Sometimes.
Is it crowded usually?
Sometimes.
Busy time now?
Yes, peak time.
Busy time now?
Yes, peak time.
Quiet later today?
Yes, evening.
Quiet later today?
Yes, evening.
Are you local here?
Yes, local.
Are you local here?
Yes, local.
How long have you lived here?
5 years.
How long have you lived here?
5 years.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do.
Anything fun nearby?
Yes, parks.
Anything fun nearby?
Yes, parks.
Is there a mall nearby?
Yes, close.
Is there a mall nearby?
Yes, close.
Is this the correct entrance?
Yes, it is.
Is this the correct entrance?
Yes, it is.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day.
You too.
Sorry, is this right?
Yes, it is.
Sorry, is this right?
Yes, it is.
Can you hear me?
Yes, clearly.
Can you hear me?
Yes, clearly.
Do you mind waiting?
No, not at all.
Do you mind waiting?
No, not at all.
Is this yours?
No, it isn't.
Is this yours?
No, it isn't.
Can I pass through?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I pass through?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you in charge?
No, just waiting.
Are you in charge?
No, just waiting.
Is help available?
Yes, inside.
Is help available?
Yes, inside.
Do you know the time?
Yes, it's 3.
Do you know the time?
Yes, it's 3.
Is this nearby?
Yes, very close.
Is this nearby?
Yes, very close.
Is entry allowed?
Yes, allowed.
Is entry allowed?
Yes, allowed.
Are you first here?
Yes, I am.
Are you first here?
Yes, I am.
Is there another way?
Yes, around back.
Is there another way?
Yes, around back.
Do you need assistance?
No, I'm fine.
Do you need assistance?
No, I'm fine.
Is this seat open?
Yes, it is.
Is this seat open?
Yes, it is.
Are we early?
Yes, a bit.
Are we early?
Yes, a bit.
Is there a restroom?
Yes, upstairs.
Is there a restroom?
Yes, upstairs.
Can I stand here?
Yes, that's fine.
Can I stand here?
Yes, that's fine.
Is this the correct line?
Yes, correct line.
Is this the correct line?
Yes, correct line.
Are you waiting too?
Yes, I am.
Are you waiting too?
Yes, I am.
Thanks for helping.
Happy to help.
Thanks for helping.
Happy to help.